Level up.
Level up, 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 level up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Marky. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy. No mistakes are gone. I won't do them no more. That's old news. That's new news. I done did that before. I turn nothing to something.
God bless these 20-somethings. God bless, oh God bless, oh God bless.
So welcome to my channel. My name is Ciera Michelle. If you are a returning subscriber, what's good, cousin? What's up? Today I'm going to be doing an affordable fall makeup and outfit look. I just would like to say real quick that this video is inspired by Sophiology. Her style is impeccable. Hair game on fleek, makeup on fleek. So if you're watching this Sophiology, what's up? What's good? Like, I'm definitely inspired by you. Don't want to take anybody's shine. She's dope. Follow her down below. I might just link. I'm gonna link her channel down below because she's dope.
Tripping over thinking I'll be sipping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep tripping, thinking I'ma give up on you, girl.
Shall prosper.
Come through, girl, I need to see you. Come tell me why you tripping on me, yeah. Come through, girl, I need to see you. I need to see you.
So I just want to say, like, I don't know if y'all know this or not, but I'm human. I'm human. I'm far from perfect. I never want to say, yo, I'm a Christian. I don't do this, I don't do that. I don't judge. I'm a work in progress. I'm a work in progress. I don't think I'm holier than thou or none of that. Like, I'm really a work in progress. Like, I'm far from perfect. I would like to be like God, you know, be perfect, but I'm far from that. I continually ask God to forgive me for different things every day. I would say every hour, but every day. Like, it's not a joke. So I don't want somebody to take from me posting videos that inspire me and that uplift me, which is my Young and Saved series, you know, just to encourage other fellow Christians and just to get content out there on YouTube. I don't care who watches it. If one person watches it and comments that they got something from those videos, I'm gonna continue to make them. But I just want to just let y'all know that I'm human, and don't ever try to hold me to a standard and think that I'm perfect. Like, I'll listen to trap music, rap music. If it's a good message, if it's a good beat, I'm gonna listen to it. I'm a music lover. I'm not gonna take anybody trying to hold me to a standard or anybody trying to judge me because the type of content I post. And this is family members included. Like, oh, I see a change in Ciera. Oh, you doing that and you supposed to be a Christian? Don't ever try to come for me like that, because if you do that, like, I got a boundary, and once you cross that boundary, I really gotta let you go and love you from afar, okay? Because you're not gonna corrupt my spirit. Evil communication corrupts good manners. If you don't have the right aura, the right energy, you gotta stay away from me, okay? We're not having none of that in 2019. It's about to end up 2018, so I'm gonna say in 2019, we're not having none of that. Come correct or don't come at all. That's all I got. I'm just gonna take this brown color in this 39A palette from Morphe and put this on my eyelid. It is a little darker than my skin complexion, so I just like using this to throw on the eyes, so it looked like I did something when I really didn't. But actually, I just like doing this now. It really feels 90s style to me. Like, in the 90s, they had brown and like dark reds and stuff. And then I just blend it out, try to blend it out anyways. Like that. So as of recently, I have been using this same color I put on my eyelids on my contour. because it's more soft. I usually use a really dark color out of the Black Radiance palette, but I feel like that be so dark and so like not natural. But don't get me wrong, I love it when I'm like maybe taking pictures, but in person I feel like it doesn't look right on me. I feel like it looks drag queenish. Now this just looks airbrushed, I'm not gonna lie. It looks airbrushed. I love this. And I'm just gonna put some more on that. Really bring out my cheeks. Cause my face is, I feel like my face is fat. Not fat like overweight fat, but just, it's a lot on my face. I don't know, like my face is wide, I don't know. Like this is slimming my face down and making me look snatched. If I don't do this, I will look like a baked potato. And today I'm not gonna contour up here just because it's just too much makeup up there. I feel like when my edge is out, it's gonna look cakey right there, I don't know. So I'm gonna actually use this. I got this in like a CoverGirl makeup application thingy. Because we don't want any harsh lines on our makeup. Now, sometimes I don't be getting it right. Like sometimes in the lighting, my neck be all like unblended. But I think I'm doing good today. So I'm going to actually highlight using this like golden, it's a dark golden color. So this is what I do. I press my finger on there, rub it together so I don't get too much of that darkness. I don't know. And then I rub it together using a finger, a clean finger. If that makes sense, comment down below. Like, do I even be making sense? And just highlight where you want to highlight. I see Beauty Gurus highlight right here, so today I'm gonna highlight right there. So nowadays my highlight has been very like subtle. Today I'm gonna use this Lancome mascara. I got this in a birthday package from Sephora. But this mascara is really like, I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like juicy. So I am just going to use this NYX Suede brown pencil in the color Club Hopper. It's a suede lip liner. So I'm gonna use Beauty Mark by NYX. I don't know. I wasn't gonna use it, but then I'm like, this is just too dark. I'm gonna use this on top of that. And then when this dries a little more, I'm just gonna take this Tarteist. It says Tarteist by Tarte. So I'm gonna take this color and put it in the center so I can make a little ombre effect. Y'all know I do this basically like all the time. When you come back, I am just going to have my hair laid. Like I really need to flat iron this little top part. You to know, I really wanna take you there. I really wanna change your name. I wanna know why you keep tripping on me. Come through. I'm gonna try to research on how to explain things better because I cannot explain things. But this is the finished product. I'm gonna show y'all what the outfit is for today. So you don't go wasting all your energy. Cause too many niggas done had their way say. Just wanna be friends, them niggas ain't me.